Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Day number 6 is this page here. Love it, it's one of my favorite. Ta-da! You get, oh, I dropped it on the floor, sorry about that. You get a lovely background just full of butterflies and also lovely flowers and this gorgeous watercolor gold, kind of more like a sort of like ink setting. This page here has been designed from my very popular digital papers called Pretty in Pink, which is this one here. Let me move the freebie aside. Just gonna go a quick flick through. So this way around. I have used this one to create your freebie. As you can see, it's the same image. I just put tons of butterflies on the top just to make it a bit more pop, stand up. You get embellishment. Love these butterflies. You got another background with different butterflies and flowers. 4 backgrounds into one page. You can use these guys as cards background, or you can make a little notebooks, or just fold them. It's completely up to you. You get another background, some flowers embellishment that you can print it and then fussy cut it, and then you can create your all large flower, like a 3D flower. Then you get a page with fussy cut butterflies, all pink. So everything here is been designed to mix and match. Okay, you get some pockets for your journal, a large, this way, a large background, and then another page full of different butterflies, different size butterflies. Again, they can be used to play with anything. All right, let me show you where to find the freebie. Hey guys, so this is my Facebook group, AntonioMakes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, you'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay guys, so throughout the month of December, you can use the code ADVENT, and I'll put here on the screen, ADVENT 2024, to get 30% off everything on my website, including the kit that you just saw today, but also my workshop, my ebook, all my digital papers, etc, etc. I'm going to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow for another freebie. Mwah. Bye.